Holy crap.
Yeah.
Can I?
Go for it.
Yeah?
You can see that's where it's everything.
Do you have a hood?
No. Out of the front end body parts, I just have a left fender and that's it.
In the previous episode with the F30 rebuild, we covered putting the car into neutral by going under the car and tightening the Allen key nut to take it into neutral. We also took apart the subframe and took apart some of the control arms and suspension bits to get the subframe off. And in this episode, we're putting back the subframe, the oil pan, and a few other front end pieces to get the car running. The subframe, you said?
150 for subframe. Yeah. And you're getting everything you see here, so, you know. Even this a silly tray.
What's that tray?
It's just a tray, right? It's like 30 or 40, 45 maybe.
So it's pretty good.
Yeah. No, this you can't go wrong.
So I just down there trying to get the last bolt on the engine oil pan out. We had to take out suspension so we can take out the axle that ran through the oil pan. That is the cracked oil pan. Yes, but we got a new oil pan there. Used the oil pan there. This oil pan went. So the axle had to come out. That's one end of the axle. If you guys can see that, it's one end of the axle there, and another end there. So this axle had to come off to get the oil pan out. So we're gonna call it a night. It's about midnight, and tomorrow we're gonna put in the new oil pan and yeah, start buttoning everything back up and see how far we get. Turn it off. Why did the fan turn on so quickly? Nothing is leaking. Brought the battery home for it to charge. I plugged it into my battery charger and it's fully charged, so take it back to the shop and just, you know, try to see if the car can run a little bit longer with the charged battery.